Hey everybody, it's Jared Snyder. Happy Easter. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. I hope that you got time away from work that you can spend with your family and friends and just have a good day. As for me and my family, we just stayed home and we've just been chilling here. We just had a lot going on with our old house, with things getting fixed, and so we just laid low. We're gonna do dinner here after I get done doing my workout, but just my immediate family, my 4 children and my wife. And but anyways, right now what I am doing is I'm on my second week of lift 4, and so we got chest and triceps. I think it's circuit today, so I'm gonna get started. As being a coach, I would like to offer you guys any kind of help that you might need. I've got programs, I got supplements, I've got everything. I leave links below, ways that you guys can come and find out what I'm doing, or just connect to me on different platforms. I am on Instagram, I am on Facebook. Facebook is where I run my online fitness group daily, where I help people stay motivated, accountable, ask questions, just put a lot of stuff out there. It's all on health and fitness, nothing else. And so health and fitness, I'm strictly on that, like just putting stuff about health and fitness in there. So if you're interested in come checking it out, if you have a Facebook account, let me know in the comments. I can friend you, or you can friend me on Facebook, and we can get you over to that group. And maybe you have everybody is kind of doing their own thing. Some people are doing Beachbody programs, some people are not, but we're all contributing and just good jobbing to everybody. And just health and fitness, it looks a lot different for everybody, so a lot of people are putting their input in there, and so it's just kind of nice. But anyways, yeah, so today is starting lift 4 week 2 of day 1 and chest and tricep circuit, so stay tuned.